Dayan.
Hi, I'm Valeria Rivera.
And we're both co-founders of Cromchies! We grew up in Mexico, where wafers are an all-time favorite snacks for celebrations such as parties, fairs, and family Sundays at the park.
When we moved to America, we noticed there were no wafers out there. So we founded Cromchies to bring Hispanic families a taste of home and introduce everyone else to this fun and healthy snack.
Cromchies are low-calorie wafer cookies made with only natural ingredients and a twist of fun. They're vegan, sugar-free, and packed with amaranth, a superfood grade.
We currently have 4 flavors: amaranth, berries, chocolate, and coffee. Cromchies is an on-the-go snack, ready for adventures. You can enjoy it a day at the park, movies, road trip, hiking, office snack, lunch boxes, I mean everywhere.
Cromchies are an excellent option for everyone at the table. They're vegan, diabetic, and low-carb friendly. So you can share Cromchies from your granny to your kids, and everyone will love them.
Cromchies started as an idea, and now it's a reality. This couldn't be possible without the mentorship and guidance from the Rec Innovation Lab.
We invite you to visit our website, www.cromchies.com, and make your first order.